other Sunday, I got the rare opportunity to go to the car boot, and there was a pitifully small selection of vacuum cleaners there. All of them are flickering across your screen now. Literally, I took photos of every single one, including the one that I bought. This is a 1981 Kirby Heritage. Yes, guy openly admitted it, that he got it from a scrapper, but he only wanted £10 for it. I offered him 5, he counter-offered me 7, and that was done. Sold. I now own a Kirby Heritage. Let's have a look at what my £7 has bought me, and if this thing even runs. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? It's very, very hot today, but that's partly one of the reasons I wanted to crack on with this, because I can wash the bag, because it needs it massively. So we'll start from the top of my £7 car boot there, and we do have, although it's not plugged in, a flex. It's an okay flex. We have ourselves a very nice, look, ever ready non-sleeved plug. I reckon that can stay on there very nicely. Probably the original wiring instructions as well, but they won't stay on there. Yeah, the cable's unplugged, presumably because maybe it's been a pass. I think that's what we should look at doing now. So we can take the handle off. The bolt is fine, it's not bent, it's not anything. It's quite nice having an actually filthy Kirby, because obviously I don't know if you know, but all the ones I've had I've not done anything with yet. That G5 that we have looked at piqued my interest, so yeah, they're actually quite fun. I don't think there's any coins in the secret coin holder. Let's have a look. I think this is an urban myth. No, nothing in there at all, but it's very nice, very tidy. We'll put that back together in a bit. And yeah, move on down to the machine itself, which does look beautiful in its orange. Now obviously its orange is absolutely flipping filthy, but there we go. Now I've not actually had an emptor of this type before, so this is a first for me, but that comes off there, very nice indeed. Then, there we go. We open it up and find that there is nothing in there at all, but it is quite rusty. The seal is very, very dry, but yeah, it's okay enough inside of there. What I know is not okay. Ow! Enough though. It's hot enough without being beaten up by Kirby. Is in here. This is the bag. So yeah, I want to get this out anyway. Oh. There we go. Oh, poo. It's an oval bag. I don't know if I got the oval bags. Might have to pause this video to go hunting, but yeah, that's all in there. Inside of it is filthy. Ah yes, this is the belt that was fitted to the machine. I tried to pull the belt lifter up and obviously crunch, off it went. So I need to try and find some overly belts. I think I've got some pattern ones, probably everything else is round new style. We'll have a look. We've got enough other stuff to get looking at first. We don't even know if this thing works. What I did want to look at, that was it, is the originalness of the bag. Look, it's the old style Kirby logo, old style Kirby paper bag. So this has been fitted to this machine for a long time, and yeah, this, we do have some issues, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, look, you can see where the metal's trying to look nice. Already primed Mr. Hooverlux onto if he can do something with it, or at least some of it. You know, we'll work it out. Oh, we do have a label, look. Kirby House from Headington. That's literally lived its life around here. Oh, that's 01865 now. literally 10 miles up the road is Headington. Blimey, I wonder if they're still going. We shall have a look. Right, we'll take this off so we can continue to look at our power unit, and it does spin very nicely indeed, so that should be okay. The bulb is, I don't know if it's blown or not, but the lens, look, with its Kirby decal, is looking very nice indeed. Power switch clicks. Yeah, underneath is utterly filthy, but I don't know. Doesn't have to be mint. Kirby Heritage 1HE. There's the doodah, 1981. Blimey, she's not too bad. Right, now, onto the cleaner head. And when I offered the guy a fiver, I had her picked up in my arms and I was fondling her undercarriage to see if it was worth offering any money. I mean, I was quite happy enough that the guy didn't want like 50 quid straight away, so I was immediately going, oh, but yeah, flipped it underneath. It is perhaps a little bit soft, but my goodness, that is a very good looking brush roll, because it's quite expensive to find a decent brush roll for one of this age machines now. The Kirby G5 was only £30 for a genuine brand new wooden one. Oh really, we're going to have to play this game. It's too hot for this. Right, hang on, let's do it the right way. There we go. Ah, oh no. This has not been off in a very long time. But now it is. Ah, marvellous. Pretty clean and tidy inside of there. Not too bad at all. Even the incredibly boring Heritage logo, which is quite boring, is there. The belt spinner is very nice and smooth though. Yeah, it's quite dense. It's not bad. Definitely keeping it. Spins fine. Bearings are fine. I don't think it needs any adjustment. We'll find out. But yeah, that is staying because I don't really want to plough a load of money into it straight away until we know it works, which I think is what we need to do now. So let's get all this back together, and I have it plugged into my RCD plug so it doesn't blow my entire house electrics. If it's wrong, I think it's been underwater. I see rather a lot of corrosion. You ready? Well, it might have been off on the switch. Fair enough. Click. Smooth as a nut. And did you notice the light work? Ah, fantastic. Now, unbeknownst to you, I put a new belt on this. So, the belt is now down. Let's see if she there is no bang in this, by the way. I just zipped up this one. Screw it. It needs cleaning anyway. It runs okay really. Yep, I think the brush roll is perhaps a little bit soft, but it's by no means the worst part of this machine. We'll keep that for now. Wow, I mean, I was looking around when I was putting it back together. I very nearly spared us off into it. Let's take the back off because it looks like it's been underwater, but no, it is just a typical Kirby. It's just been stored, it's a bit corroded, but it runs. absolutely fine. Even the light works, and I should be able to find out by the after video how old the light bulb is and if it could be original, because who knows, a genuine Kirby bag in it. Wasn't a genuine belt, but it was a genuine bag. Maybe this thing's been looked after, but equally it's been to a repair shop not far from my house, so who knows, although not within the last 30 years. Who knows? So there we go, really. Plans for this are I'm going to mechanically refurbish the heck out of it, and then we'll see what's what and where we go from there. But comment below, is this the worst Kirby project you've ever seen, or have you done worse? I really hope that a certain few of you say that you've done worse, because you're Kirby enthusiasts. So you should be doing worse than this Kirby wise, but now it's my turn. So, oh wait, no, stop. I haven't actually told you why I spent £7 whole on this thing. Hang on. You see, for the longest time, and you've probably seen it on my channel, I have had a Heritage 2 Legend Kirby, not this one. No, this is a Heritage 1, the original Kirby Turbo vacuum cleaner, and with my Heritage 2 Legend, which is not this, I've had a pretty full Heritage tool set for this, and although again it's far too hot for me to even think about hunting about now, do have a hose, you've seen that on my other videos of the Kirbys, and the full instruction manual pack for one of these. So yeah, it was either this or the 84 that I had to get to match these tools, or bin these tools away and look into getting some tools for my Heritage 2 Legend. But no, this one, here we are. So yeah, I mean, you've sort of seen these before, because these are the tools that I used with the other Kirby. So I'm missing the one, which I'm not too fussed about finding really, because it'll stick out the top of the box and I couldn't store it where I do. So yeah, we have ourselves a floor brush, a bent nozzle. Oh, this is going to get lacquer space quickly, isn't it? Oh, we could convert her. We could have a play. I have a empty tin of home freshener. We could pretend that I got all this from the carpet, but no, I didn't. We get all this out. I do have 2 dusting brushes. One of them hadn't ever been used, but I have 2. This thing's new accessory, I think, for 1981, the Turbo accessory tool. The U-bend for that, the shoulder strap for that, and then we'll put that there. Yeah, then I'll move my sweaty behind out of the way. And yeah, we got the other renovations with the sprayer, the rug renovator, the... Oh, come on, let's not fight today. The shampooer, this is where I nicked the belt from. For that, the foam nozzle, the shampoo tank, and we could have almost tested the suction with that, but I don't know where the hose is. And this. So yeah, it is now more complete than incomplete. Like I say, I've got the manual somewhere, I've got a hose. What do you think, folks? Is this a complete ensemble? I mean, we could do all sorts, but I'm not setting it up today, it's too hot. But yeah, this is why I looked twice at it. I went, hang on, and then we went around the rest of the stalls, and my little brain went, and I went, yes, that's exactly the Kirby that I need. So off we went back, and here we are today. So yes, £7, plus I probably wouldn't have paid more than, I think the tools would have come with the Kirby that I've got. They were always a mismatched set. So for probably less than £20 total outlay, done. A nice complete Heritage 1 or Kirby Heritage Turbo. What is the official name for this? I mean, I'm in the UK / Europe, so if it's American you might have to caveat that. But yeah, someone will know. Comment down below. But until the next time, I and this will see you soon. Bye bye.